good people? Welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. And in this video, we're going to be announcing the top picks for the Mommy Room Redo Linen Closet Roundup. Stay tuned!
Hey again, Danielle here from BumbleMade. We are the creators of O-Sheets, and we are one of the sponsors of the Mommy Room Redo Linen Closet Roundup. We'd like to thank everyone for participating and sharing their linen closet organization ideas. We'd also like to thank everyone who subscribed, liked, and voted on their favorite linen closet. Today, we are announcing the viewer favorites in the Mommy Room Redo Linen Closet Roundup. Congratulations to Pearl Island, who came in first place. And another congratulations to Black Tie, who came in second place. Our first place viewer will receive 4 complimentary O-Sheets, and our second place viewer favorite will receive 2 complimentary O-Sheets. All participants will receive 1 complimentary O-Sheet in whatever desired color. We'd also have a $5 off coupon good until the end of May towards any purchase of O-Sheets. You can view us on Etsy, search for O-Sheets, and enter coupon code OSHEETREDO21. That's OSHEETREDO21. Again, we'd like to thank you all for your participation in the Mommy Room Redo Linen Closet Roundup.
Thanks for tuning in, and thank you to the participants in the Mommy Room Redo Linen Closet Roundup.
Also, special thanks to our sponsors, O-Sheets. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below.
Take care!